Hello guys, and welcome to Lucky's Kitchen, where you will learn all your cooking needs and look at the best food in the world. Hello and welcome to Lucky's Kitchen, and today we are cutting red pepper, cabbage, and yellow pepper, and also chicken vegetable. I'm smashing the raw chicken right now. So now we are cutting the chicken. Now we are putting the oil into the pan. So we just put 1 tablespoon of oil. Now we are putting the chicken onto the pan. Just put with a little bit of salt onto the chicken, to cook it. Right now we are putting green papaya into the chicken and let it cook with the sizzling chicken. So we just put water into the pan, just so you know it's cleaner. So now we are going to cut the onion. Now we are going to put the onion into the pan and watch it cook. Now we are putting the yellow pepper, red pepper into the pan to get the perfect mix of the vegetables with the chicken. Now we are putting the cabbage into the pan. Make sure to wash your vegetables. We are pouring the soy sauce into there. So right now we're going to put the cornstarch into the pan. As you can see, it's already mixed. We're stirring it just a bit to get the little edge of it. Cornstarch is mainly made for food, but here we go. Make sure to spread it all around, get an even amount all around the food, and you stir. And now, make sure to enjoy your food, because you did all that hard work just so you can have some delicious Lucky's Kitchen vegetables with chicken vegetables. Okay, so after you're done marinating all your chicken for a couple of hours, I'll say maybe 2-3 hours, and then you'll fry it onto the pan. You can cook it however you want, but today we are going to fry it, and with the boiled rice, we'll make it a delicious dish from Lucky's Kitchen. Okay, so we put oil onto the pan, and now we're picking up the marinated chicken and putting them one by one onto the fryer. Now here's the time lapse. Delicious fried chicken that came out. Also, if you look at them together, it looks very nice. Don't worry, we'll show everything at the end that looks very nice. After putting oil or any type of oil on the pan or spray, you will be able to put so this is the diced onion. Keep it in a bowl, just to be safe. Let the pan heat up. Now we are putting the rice, the boiled rice. It's fine if you miss a few on the floor. Obviously, don't put that back on your pan. Okay, so obviously with the egg right here, I'm going to show you guys what you're going to put. You're going to, mix it well, and, just make scrambled eggs a little thinner than what you would normally do, and just enough to spread it around with your rice. So let's see that. Action. Hey guys, thank you for watching Lucky's Kitchen. Stay tuned for more videos about learning how to make food and, looking at the delicious food, and you can take it for yourself. This food's delicious. So stay tuned for more videos. Sorry we had to cut it off. Everyone got super hungry and I had work to do. And thank God that work's done so I can post way more videos for you guys. And I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned.